Exercise Aman is Pakistan Navy's vision of promoting regional peace, security, and stability.
One ocean, one goal, peace and harmony. Pakistan Navy, a strong supporter of peaceful coexistence.
ये इत्तेहाद हमारी ताकत है क्योंकि हम हैं अमन के लिए मुत्तहिद।